Hello everyone! Welcome to the Tile Map Series tutorial. Today is the 10th lesson of this series. This lesson mainly introduces the graphic settings in the tile map. In the tile map, we can add shapes too, to frame a certain area on the map. In the toolbar, there are two types, circle and polygon. The former selects the position of the center point, and then use the mouse to zoom in or out of the radius to generate a circle. The latter requires selecting the positions of each vertex and connect the first and last vertices to form a closed figure to generate a polygon. In addition to manually adding polygons, we can also generate polygons from data. First, click the Add Data in the upper toolbar. Add the data file prepared in advance. Then, in the public data of the dashboard, bind the data to the corresponding data field. The data type of the point field is an array, and the name field is a string. The data polygon will be automatically generated. Next, I will introduce the style settings of the graphics. Since the style settings of circles and polygons are the same, so I'll introduce them together. In fact, when we add the same type of graphics, a group will be generated in the component layer. The settings of the group affect the styles of all graphics. Here, you can set the line type, fill color, text style, and so on. Let's introduce these configuration items one by one. First is the basic settings. Here we can set the display, hide, and whether it can be clicked. After enabling these two settings, we can enable the click, the function of switching perspectives in real time. At this time, we can modify the duration of view switching. The faster the switching speed. We can also set the map level with a range of 1 to 19. The larger the value, the more detailed the view. If we need to select multiple graphics simultaneously, we can also turn it on here. The second one is the graphic style. There are 3 states for the graphics in default, hover, and select. We can set the graphic styles. The graphic styles in these 3 states, corresponding to the mouse moving in and out of the graph, and the effect after the graph is selected. In the basic style, we can set the type, width, and color of the line. In the text style, we can set some common items, such as whether to display fonts, text backgrounds, etc. We can modify these 3. The graphic styles under these 3 states. After modification, you can observe when the mouse enters The mouse moves in, out, and selects the graphic. The last one is the panel settings. The graph can also be bound to a pop-up window. This example project has already added a pop-up component. We bind the pop-up window in the panel settings and also set the display method and offset value. Display method and offset value of the pop-up window. After setting is done, we exit the editing state. Click to select the graphic, and the pop-up window will pop up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.